Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through a really handy feature on TradingView, how to create a custom time frame right on your TradingView charts, even if you're thinking about testing that advanced functionality. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to set up custom time intervals for your charts, which can make your trading analysis much more flexible and tailored to your strategy. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is head up to the interval selector right at the top of your TradingView chart. It's usually pretty easy to spot. It's where you see your standard time frames, like 1 minute, 5 minutes, 1 hour, and so on. Go ahead and click on that interval box. This is basically your time machine for the chart. It tells TradingView what kind of chunks you want to break the market data into. Now you'll see a menu pop up with all sorts of default time frames. But what if those don't quite fit your needs? Maybe you've got a strategy that works best on a really specific time frame, like 100 minutes, or even something unusual like 4 hours and 30 minutes. Well, TradingView lets you add your own. Look for the option that says Add Custom Interval or something similar, usually toward the bottom or tucked in a corner of that list. Click on it. At this point, you'll see a drop-down where you can pick the unit for your interval: minutes, hours, days, weeks, months, or even range bars. This is where you get to be creative. So let's say you want to analyze price movement in 100-minute periods, which simply isn't possible with the standard presets. Select Minutes from the drop-down, then in the field next to it, type 100. Take a second here to make sure you've got the right unit, because it's easy to accidentally pick, say, 100 hours instead of 100 minutes. It happens, so just a quick double check goes a long way. Once you've entered your custom interval, all you need to do is click the Add button. Give it a moment. Sometimes TradingView takes a second to process, especially if your connection is a little slow or the interval is out of the ordinary. And that's it, your chart will now update, and you'll be viewing price action in those exact chunks of time you specified. This can be a game changer for traders who have unique strategies or just want to experiment outside of the usual defaults. Now a quick but important heads up. If you're using TradingView's free plan, you might notice that the option to add custom intervals is locked or triggers an upgrade prompt. TradingView currently requires an upgraded paid plan to use this feature without restrictions. So if you find yourself unable to access it, that's likely the reason. But it's still worth knowing about, so if you ever decide to upgrade, you'll know exactly how to set it up. Don't get discouraged if you run into this subscription wall. Even just understanding what's possible with custom intervals can open up new ideas for your chart analysis down the road. Alright, that wraps up today's quick tutorial. If you found this helpful, please give the video a like, and if you have any questions about TradingView timeframes or any other features, just leave a comment below. I read all of them and I'm happy to help out. And don't forget, if you want more trading tips and platform tutorials just like this, hit that subscribe button so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.